This is the second part of third question, which is pointing towards the explain the following topics. As the first topic is electrostatic precipitation. So what is the electrostatic precipitation? Electrostatic precipitation means electron plus static plus precipitation. Means electrostatic precipitations is made by combination of three words, that is electron plus static plus precipitation. Means a chemical process which is used to separate solid waste from liquid by means of that electric field which is being applied by non-movable charges, and non-movable charges, that is electrostatic. This process is used to removal of suspended particles from a gas or liquid by charging particles and precipitate them by a strong electric field. And this is the apparatus for electrostatic precipitation, where this is the clean air and this is the dirty air. Dirty air is passing through this chamber, and this is the particulate matter. This is a scrubber, and this is a dirty air which is positively this is a positively charged and this is a negatively charged. And by providing the opposite charges and same type of charges, here the concept of repulsion and attraction is used, and due to that property of electrons and protons, whatever type of charges are required for precipitate some particles, those charges are used. And the second is electrostatic separation. Separation means something which is to be separate out from something, and electrostatic means still the force, the electric force which is applied on another particles by a static particle. So electrostatic separation, it is the in this process actually we do electric, by using electric charges we separate the crushed particles of materials, and this process is generally used in the process of sorting mineral ore. As we know, when ores come from mines etc., then there are various types of impurities present in that. That's why we crushed that first, and after then we separate out some impurities which are metals type. And the third is electrostatic painting. Electrostatic painting is still, it is that type of painting which is done by the electrostatic force. That is the, in this process actually we do like positively charged particles are used to paint. These paint particles are being excited from a specialized gun to coat the whatever the desired metal surface. In this example we are seeing that this is the metal and this is the gun which from which a spray of particles are being deposited or sprayed onto the metal surface, and in this way the metal surface is getting painted. And since this process is done for the metals, suppose we have prepared any architect a building, and we have to color railings, tables, chairs, and other space household components, like a staircase, cabinets, frames for doors and windows. Then we use electrostatic type painting, because if there is any presence of rough surface and some cavity inside, then also we can easily paint through electrostatic painting. And the fourth point is electrostatic printing. So what is the electrostatic printing? Electrostatic printing, all in the above three examples we have seen what is electrostatic, and here we are doing printing by electrostatic charges. So this is the method which is used to print or create an image by means of static electricity to abstract toner to specific areas of a substrate for painting or copying. For this, electrostatic forces are used to form an image directly on the surface. Here I am providing the link for the reference videos.